Hi, today we are diving in an amazing motivational story. Today's story is about a girl, how she to achieve her big dreams, challenged the society hurdles, worked hard, and with courage reached to successes in life. Today's story is The Girl Who Refused to Stop. Ananya was born in a small village in India. Her family was simple, traditional, and hardworking. Her father ran a small shop and her mother was a homemaker. Like most girls in her village, people expected her to finish school, get married, and manage a household. But Ananya was different. She loved books more than toys, and dreams more than sleep. She often sat under the old banyan tree near her house, reading any book she could find. Her favorite subject was science. While other children played, she stared at the stars, wondering how the universe worked. Her teachers admired her intelligence. One day, her science teacher told her, "Ananya, you are special. Don't let anyone tell you that you cannot do something." Those words stuck in her heart. She wanted to study, go to college, and make something out of her life. But society had other plans for her. When Ananya turned 15, neighbors began whispering. "She is old enough now," they said. Her parents should find a groom. Even her relatives pressured her father. What is the use of educating a girl so much? In the end, she will go to her husband's house. Better to marry her early. Her father loved her, but he was bound by society. He didn't want to be criticized. He began searching for a groom. When Ananya overheard this, she felt her dreams shattering. She cried all night, but the next morning, she made a decision. "I will not let anyone else decide my life." She gathered courage and told her parents, "Papa, Ma, I don't want to get married now. I want to study. Please, give me a chance." Her father frowned. "Ananya, people are talking. What will society say?" Her voice trembled, but she stayed strong. "Let them talk, Papa. It is my life. Please trust me once." Her mother quietly wiped a tear. Somewhere deep inside, she understood her daughter's pain. After many arguments, her father reluctantly allowed her to finish school. But the battle was not over. When Ananya scored top marks in her exams, she wanted to join a college in the nearby city. Her father shook his head. "No, Ananya. A girl cannot live alone in the city. It's not safe, and we cannot afford it." Ananya knew he was right about money, but not about her gender. She worked day and night, tutoring younger kids in the village to save money. She walked miles to borrow second-hand books. Slowly, she gathered enough to pay her first-year fees. When she showed the savings to her father, he was shocked. "Where did you get this?" "I earned it, Papa. If I can work this hard to pay my fees, I can work even harder to make you proud." Her father couldn't speak. That day, he realized his daughter was stronger than he ever imagined. College life was not easy for Ananya. She was from a small village, and the city students often mocked her accent, her simple clothes, and her lack of confidence. "Look at her," they laughed. "She doesn't even know how to use a computer properly." For a moment, Ananya felt small, but she remembered her teacher's words. "Don't let anyone tell you that you cannot do something." She spent hours in the library, practicing computer skills, improving her English, and reading every book she could. She worked part-time jobs, washing dishes in a cafe, selling books at a roadside stall, just to survive. There were nights she went to bed hungry, days she walked long distances to save bus fare. But each struggle became fuel for her determination. In her second year, Ananya got a chance to attend a science seminar in another city. She was nervous, surrounded by confident students from big schools, but she decided to speak up. When her turn came, her hands shook, but she shared her ideas about renewable energy for villages. Her voice was shaky at first, but slowly, passion replaced fear. By the end, the audience clapped loudly. A professor approached her. "You have great ideas, young lady. Never stop dreaming." That day, for the first time, Ananya felt that she truly belonged. She realized she was not less than anyone. Back in her village during vacations, people again taunted her. "Still studying? When will you get married? Education won't cook food in the kitchen. Even her relatives said cruel things. You are bringing shame to the family by refusing marriage. This time, Ananya didn't cry. She smiled politely and said, Education may not cook food, but it will help me earn food, not just for me, but for many others too. Her courage shocked everyone. Some laughed at her, but others secretly admired her spirit. After years of struggle, Ananya completed her degree with top marks. She applied for higher studies abroad, though she knew it was almost impossible. But miracles favor the brave. She received a scholarship for a university in London. When the acceptance letter arrived, her parents were speechless. Her father's eyes filled with tears. Ananya, you proved me wrong. I am proud of you. Her mother hugged her tightly. You are not just our daughter. You are an example for every girl here. The villagers who once mocked her now spoke with pride. Life abroad brought new challenges, new culture, new people, and loneliness. But Ananya had fought too many battles to give up now. She worked part-time, studied hard, and slowly built a name for herself. Her research on renewable energy won awards. She was invited to speak at international conferences. The girl who was once mocked for her accent now spoke confidently in front of hundreds. She remembered those hungry nights, those tears under the banyan tree, those taunts from society. Every pain had shaped her into who she was today. Years later, Ananya returned to her village, not as a timid girl, but as a successful scientist. She started a project to bring solar energy and clean water to rural areas. The same villagers who once doubted her now welcomed her with garlands. Little girls in the village looked at her with shining eyes. She became their role model. In her speech, she said, I was once told that a girl's education has no value. Today, I stand before you as proof that a girl's dream can change not just her life, but the lives of many. Her parents cried, but this time they were tears of pride. Ananya's journey was not just her own. She became a voice for countless girls who were told no by society. She proved that determination, hard work, and courage can break any chain. Her story reminds us, society will always talk. Let them. Struggles will come. Face them. Dreams may seem impossible. Chase them anyway. Because in the end, success is not about money or fame. It is about becoming who you were meant to be. Similarly, you with your sheer determination, hard work, courage can achieve anything in life and not let anyone stop you. Even Kobe Bryant says, great things come from hard work and perseverance, not excuses. Subscribe to channel so you don't miss any amazing stories that can help you. Comment what part you learned from this story and share it to your loved ones and help them to grow. Thank you.